case you wonder where the rest of the flying monkeys from the Wizard of Oz. Here's what I learned from doing these roads. You know what you get when you take an open bar, add some celebrities, a fistful of Ike, and tell them to line each other? Usually gonorrhea. But also, some of the most out-of-control road monkeys. They're crazy and intense, like Amy Winehouse, gotta be champion. They're crazy. Gary Busey, how long does it take for a brain injury to heal? Jesus Christ. Anyway, Gary, see every part of the brain except for one, the asshole lobe. Ladies are here in the audience tonight. They need to show flavor of love because VH1 decided the original title, Black Guy Impregnates 20 Whores, wasn't catchy enough. Did the whores do something? Yes, that'll change the perceptions about you. Let's see, where was I before I was interrupted by those whores?
I'm a nice big mama. I got all those little prostitutes to show too. Yeah. They look like the 3 a.m. shift at the Jacksonville Waffle House.
I stand in the vanguard of the deep fried movement. That's where you live. That's your address.
Andy Dick! What a funny bastard!
You just got to get your job in the... Wait, you got to go to court. You have a lot of well-wishers here tonight, and a lot of them would like to throw you down one. A well. They want to murder you in a well.
Dan McDonald, God bless you. Watching your set was like watching Henry Fonda pick blueberries.
Okay.
Now, wait a minute. What's that? Oh, what's the thing? I don't think there's a person in here.
You want Henry Fonda pick blueberries?
You guys busted? Oh, I busted it. Sorry. Now y'all can't play together because I made a noise.
It's awesome to see some of the names that get to show up to these roads, but some of them don't have a clue it's about to hit them. I mean, they agree to do this, and then they figure out what it starts. Reminds you of my...
Good night. I love you.